Hi, my name is Nat. I'm 37 years old and today I'm going to tell you all about the Candida Diet Solution cookbook that I bought and if it is all that it promises. If you, like me, have tried everything but still suffer with Candida in the genital area, pay attention to this video that I decided to make to help other people too. I know it causes many other symptoms in different places, but in my specific case it was the genital area, and so if this is your case this video is for you. To start, you need to know that I had Candida for the first time when I was 11 years old, and until recently it was something present in my life. It was something very recurrent in my life. It's funny that we almost don't talk about it among friends, as if it were something very ugly and shameful, even though it is totally common for this to happen, especially with women. One day, I decided to open up to a friend and told her that I had taken a trip to the beach, but came back very attacked by this evil. I think that because we have a vaginal canal that is favorable to fungi and bacteria that live in harmony, any change affects this natural flora and everything goes out of control. I just know that I needed to get it off my chest because I had never had such a big crisis, and that's when she commented that she also had it and that she only solved this situation when she started to take care of her diet through an ad that appeared to her on Instagram. I got interested and asked her more about how to do this. At first, you may think that it is difficult to change your eating habits or even feel lazy. I understand you because I had also heard about how sugar and low immunity affect the increase of chronic candida, and even then I tried other alternatives in the hope of solving it. I imagined that food was something I didn't want to do because it would give me a hard time. Turns out I was wrong. Sometimes we sabotage ourselves and don't stop to think about all the damage we have and how everything would be easier if we gave it a chance. Then my friend showed me on her cell phone how it was inside and all the recipes that were not a big problem to make. They are not difficult recipes, in fact they are strategic to our case, and by making some changes and adding the right food your body will respond positively. I decided to try because just as I need to cook for myself every day, why not do what is right and will help me to be free once and for all? I was willing to try because only those who suffer from it repeatedly understand how annoying it is. It was really the best choice I made. I didn't have to make big sacrifices, and the Candida Diet Solution was my salvation. In it, I was able to focus on just one process, customized to my routine and reality. It has a lot of options that you can customize, and now it is something natural. Before I avoided having sex, wearing very tight clothes, I was ashamed to use borrowed clothes not to stain. I spent money every week with medicines that were only bad for me. They improved the intensity a little, but never completely solved it, and then it all came back. It seemed like an endless cycle. Today, I don't need these drugs, and I am finally without fear of feeling embarrassed. If you also want to get rid of it once and for all, take the test. You have nothing to lose. Your immunity will increase, your self-esteem and self-confidence will improve, your mood will improve, and you might even lose weight. But pay attention because there are people selling this book in a pirated way on not allowed platforms, and for you not to run this risk, I will leave the official website link in the description of this video. For now, it is with the same discount that I bought it. All the details and bonuses are on the official site, but I wanted to leave my testimonial to say that it worked for me and it is worth you trying it. Try it and let me know. See you.